Changing the phone number associated with your Google account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your information quickly. Step 1. Sign into your Google account. Go to the Google account sign-in page and enter your credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Personal Info. Once logged in, find the Personal Info section in the left-hand menu. Click on it to view your personal details. Step 3. Locate phone number. Scroll down to the Contact Info section and find the phone option. Click on it to see your current phone number. Step 4. Edit your phone number. Select the option to edit your phone number. You may need to verify your identity through security checks, such as entering a verification code sent to your current phone number. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new phone number, ensure you save the changes. You may receive a confirmation message or email to verify that the update was successful. By following these steps, you can easily change the phone number linked to your Google account. Make sure to keep your contact information updated for better account security and recovery options.